Today I'm making a video on the what is a syllabus assignment. In this, I want to give you an example so you feel comfortable when you do the assignment yourself. In this activity, you are going to identify 3 items from the syllabus that you hope you remember throughout the semester because you think they're important and you think they're going to help you. So you're going to just restate in your own words 3 facts from the syllabus that you hope you remember throughout the semester. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my 3 facts right now with you. So I'm not a student in the class, but in order to support you and make sure that you're doing well, I want to remember and keep the front of my mind these 3 things so that I can best help you. The first item is I want to keep in mind that for my Monday, Wednesday class, homework will be due Wednesdays and Saturdays. For my Tuesday, Thursday class, assignments will be due Thursdays and Sundays. There may be some exceptions occasionally, but in general, that will be the workflow throughout the semester. The second point, we will have Zoom once a week. For my Monday, Wednesday class, it will be on Mondays. For my Tuesday, Thursday class, it will be on Tuesdays. And I am requesting that before you come to Zoom, please watch the video lectures in the weekly module. So I will open up the weekly module in advance, and please take a look at those video lectures so that when you come to Zoom, you're ready to practice. And the final point, so the third point is writing. When you write, I want you to write directly in English. So I want you to not do this, or I want you to avoid this. I want you to avoid writing in your first language and then translating with a word translator sentences and paragraphs. Using a word translator in that way is considered plagiarism or cheating. And I know that you have the ability to write. You're in the 2nd level of academic ESL. So even if it's simple, write in English. It might be a little bit frustrating sometimes to not be able to communicate in the same way as you would in your first or second language, if you speak more than one language. But try that effort is going to be part of the process that helps you learn. So write directly in English. If there's a word that maybe you don't know as you're writing, then you can use a word translator for a word. You can also leave a space. You could also write it in your first language. You could send me an email, ask me for help. You could talk to your classmates, ask them for help. So you should be writing in English, and then you should use a word translator only to fill in a couple of words that you need help with, words or phrases. Okay? So those are my 3 items that I hope that I'll probably bring them up more than once because I want to make sure that you're aware of them throughout the semester. So just to recap, the due dates for the different classes, watching the videos before coming to our Zoom session, and writing directly in English first. Okay, thanks.